Hi, I'm Beth Ramsden, and this week I've got some exciting posts to show you. These boxes have arrived from Ali-Express, and I've bought my first midi-sized Blythe. I did already remove her bubble wrap. She's come with a little free dress and changeable hands. I've also got some blank Blythe eye chips and this Obitsu style articulated body to try out on one of my Blythes too. I'm really impressed by the flexibility of the limbs, and it has a kind of squashy body over a frame. I've bought some milliput with a plan to try out some more adventurous faceplate modifications soon. But here is the star of today's show, a gorgeous dark-skinned fakey Blythe. I'm going to be customizing her today and will share the sculpting process with you. I have more of my customization videos linked here if you'd like more detail on my process. She comes with a second faceplate and 2 sets of extra hand types. I bought all of these from the seller Blythe Homes on Ali-Express. They're not a sponsor, but I wish they were. Call me! Midi Blythe has these Action Man eagle eyes and a disc in the back to move them with. Cool. And the stock eyes for the full-size Blythe. She'll be the 4th custom I've done, so I'm not very experienced yet, but I also want to customize her second faceplate, the midi Blythe, and my daughter's petite and full-sized Blythes. So I hope you'll enjoy watching their transformations too. I like to prepare the faceplate first by sanding. I'm often asked about this tool, which is now so old it's no longer sold, but it's just a rotary tool, similar to a Dremel. I'm starting with a small drill bit to define the nostrils, before using various shapes of sanding bits to reshape the nose area. A simple scalpel blade is perfect for defining creases and scraping away unwanted material. I want to sculpt an open mouth with teeth. I plan the adjusted lip outline in pencil before shaping, and then I use a drill bit again to open up the mouth. Once I'm happy with the mouth shape, I refine the upper lip and the chin too. Before and after. I'll use a finer sandpaper to smooth the faceplate before I give it a coat of varnish to prepare for the face-up. I'm using Vallejo Premium Airbrush water-based acrylic polyurethane matte varnish. I've been stung by clogged spray cans before, and I prefer to use something I can take apart and clean. It's massively recommended by model painters and has an exceptional matte finish. I make the teeth using translucent polymer clay. I made this shape and baked it. But then I wasn't satisfied with the fit, so I tried again, pushing unbaked clay into the back to shape it before gently removing and marking the line, and then baking. What a difference between them! I love how matte her new face is, and it matches so much better with the body now too. Join me next week for the second part of this customization. I'll be finishing her by painting her face, customizing and modding the eyes, so don't miss it. Please consider subscribing if you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of her so far in the comments. Have you done some customizing before? See you again soon. Bye!